Welcome to Mars Tech. Today we will check out Lenovo ThinkPad E14 AMD Ryzen 5 laptop. We will do the unboxing of new laptop, it's Gen 3 E14 AMD Ryzen 5 5600U laptop. This was purchased during Amazon Great Indian Festival, got it at 65,000. It was a good deal after checking many laptops. Let's do the unboxing and see what is there in the box. I got a big box packed by Amazon and inside there is the laptop box. In the box you have laptop itself, 65-watt power adapter and manual. It's a 14 inches laptop and this is not a touch screen. Looks good, black color, there is no defects, neatly packed. On the right you have port for lock, an RJ45 port supporting Gigabit Ethernet and one USB port supporting USB 2.0. On the left there is USB-C Type 3.2 Gen 1, a USB 3.2 Gen 1, a HDMI port and RCA 3.5 jack for audio. USB-C Type 3.2 Gen 1 is where you connect the 65 watts power adapter. On the back of the laptop there are small gaps for airflow. Let's see on Amazon. Priced at 65,000. Let's see the specs in detail. Processor options for AMD Ryzen supporting Ryzen 3, Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7. Storage options are this laptop supports M.2 SSD. There are two slots, one comes starting with 256 GB. Display 14 inches with resolution of 1920 by 1080 and integrated graphics. Port options on the right side and left side are mentioned here. There is no card reader. Networking options. There is one RJ45 port, which you don't see in new laptops. It's good to have one in case you don't have Wi-Fi to connect. Wi-Fi is available. Check the Wi-Fi and physical RJ45 connection. The connection is excellent. Speakers are from Harman. Quality is good. Supports Dolby sound. This is all about power, which has 65 watt power adapter and the battery can charge up to 80% in 1 hour. Weight is 1.64 kg and comes with 2 colors. This laptop comes with many certification, tested for military grade. You can upgrade up to max 24 GB of RAM. Supports DDR4 3200. Do not open the back cover if you do not know. Better to take it to service center or take help of technician to add additional RAM. I have given the links in description to buy the laptops. Please choose your laptops and buy.